Children, today let us learn how to write a proposal writing. Writing a proposal in ISE has a certain rules to follow. If you follow all the rules and follow the same format which is prescribed or given in the council, you will score full marks. So let us understand what are the points you should remember while you are writing a proposal in the ISC paper. First of all, you must understand what is a proposal writing. A proposal is a plan or suggestion that is put up before a higher authority in order to get their approval and execute a particular program. There are certain rules you should follow in ISC proposal writing. Remember the following format you should follow. As the council has sent a specimen for proposal writing, according to that, the first thing what you have to follow in the format is you have to give a title, and it should be written in capital letters, and it should be in the center, and it is centralized form. You should center of the page, and all the letters should be in capital, and you can underline also. And the second part of the format is heading or introduction, and in this what is the intention to do with the topic that you will give in that. According to the specimen, you have been asked to set up a science club, and for that science club the introduction is given like this: to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives. We propose to set up a science club in school. So, for this heading or introduction, you will get 2 marks, and you should cover this purpose, what purpose you are writing this proposal. And then objectives. Objectives, it also cover the points, but it should not be repeated as you have it written in the introduction. Here in objectives, 2 reasons you will write, and 2 separate sentences should be there, but it should be in one continuous paragraph, not 2 different points or in 2 different paragraphs. It should be in one continuous paragraph, but that paragraph should cover 2 different reasons for setting up the club or any program, conducting any program or any event. Here it's given: a science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. 2 different points are covered in it. For that, 2 marks. So, this should not be the repeated points which you have mentioned in introduction. It should be different words and the reason. And the third thing you have to remember is in the format, that is list of measures. List of measures is the most important part of this proposal writing. It completely discusses the solution and procedure for the proposal, and minimum 4 points you have to cover in this list of measures. As it is for 4 marks, you should write at least 4 different points, and those different points should be written in points, and you have to number it, or you can make a points and dots like that, bullets. It should be mentioned in a different points, should be in a different sentence. You have to show it in a different distinguish. It should be distinct to the teachers to read out all the 4 different points, and it should cover 4 important things. First thing, 4 important things you should cover it in 4 points. It should be minimum 4 points. And first thing what you have to think about is, what is the eligibility? Who are the students are going to take part in this event or program or in the club? Who are the members of that club which you are going to set up? That you will cover in 1 point. And in the second point, what is the requirement? For example, if you want to set up a library, bookshelves, setting a book library, you need shelves, computer, some desk and table, like that. If you want science club, you want some of the setting of tables and some instruments and some um, apparatus, is all these things you need, so that you will mention in the requirement. And third point is, how many human resources required. And human resources like a teacher, senior teacher, if it is a literary club, any English teacher, if it is any science club, any science teacher you need. And along with the teacher, you may need some of the members to help you out. So, like office bearers. So, those number of office bearers you need to help you out, that you will mention in it. And then the fourth point, all these points should be covered. When are you going to have the event or program or the club? When you are conducting the meeting for the club, what time you are going to have it, and then which place you will have it, and in what regular, like once in a week, or in every Saturday, or twice in a week, or monthly once, like that, whichever the time you need to have it, so that you will. And if it is any project, new project, how many days you need to complete it, all these things you will mention. And budget for every program, for every event, you need some money to have complete that. So from where you will get the money, how you are going to collect the money, how you are going to face the difficulties to solve that, and that is called budgeting should be mentioned in one of the points. And then concluding statements. So every proposal should have a nice concluding sentence and statement. In that you will write like this: we hope that the proposal will be accepted, so that we can conduct this program, so that we can set up this club, so that we can complete this project. Like that, you have to complete the proposal with a nice concluding sentence. So altogether 10 marks, first for heading and 2 marks, and second 2 marks for objectives, and 4 marks for list of measures. So these 8 marks are for the format, and 2 marks overall they will give it for the linguistic ability. What is this linguistic ability? It means the kind of language you used and the grammar, how you have presented your views and the proposal in a correct grammar, grammatical mistakes and grammar, what is the um, vocabulary, what are the vocabulary used, and all these things will include in that for 2 marks. And apart from that, you have to end the proposal with your signature and your designation. If you are the captain of the school, or you are the president of the club, whatever the designation is yours, that you will write and put your signature there. So to score the full marks, if you follow this format, it will be sure you will be surely getting the full marks. To get full marks, better you follow the format which is given by the council.